Hi, welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll be showing you the interface of SIMPLEX Omega build. This is one of the best build out there. So if you are new to this channel, so subscribe. And by the way, just an attention, I will not be showing you the steps on how to have this particular build on your device. This is because of the recent YouTube guidelines. YouTube is taking down videos that I have done in the past regarding how to install some of these builds. So to avoid future occurrence, I'm not gonna show you how to do this, but if you wanna know how to do this, check out the comment section or the description. I'll be dropping a detailed guide on how to do that on the link. So this is one of the features of this build. As you can see, sports section, you will find this. On the sports section you will find these are the sports section you're gonna find. And then going here, you'll find here also. Go to the EPG Live TV. You find this. Then go back. Then going to systems. You find this on the systems. You find this speed test. This. And then we have also movies, shows, and all that until you get to scrapers, until get to this, and then go to here to get here. So these are the contents of this build. Yeah, and one thing about this build I like is it shows you live features of tournaments and all that, like this today. These are the time frame when the matches will take place and the venues and all that. And then and then you're gonna show you this TV station that is gonna air the content, as you can see from the screen. So if you love sports, this is one of the best. This is the build you are looking for. This is the build you need to get to explore and enjoy 247 unlimited sports content. Now going to the system, you find system manager, settings, system manager, premierize, skin settings, add-on browser. Let's check out the add-on browser. Let's check out the content of this, my add-ons, and then check it. See, look at the all, check out all. These are the add-ons. These are all the add-ons you can find here. Yeah. And then let's go back. Then let's check out the skin section, skin settings, and see what it has to offer. So you're gonna see it here. You're gonna find this. So this is blue. You can change it here to this color, to this color, to this color. Let's change it to this color and see what it's gonna change to. Yeah, let's change it. And then let's go back. Let's go back to. I did not see any change anyway, but I didn't intend to change it properly. And then let's go to file manager. And then file manager, you find add source profile directory. Click on it, and then you're gonna find you're gonna find these things. And then if you wanna install another build within this build, you can just put your URL there and it goes. And then proper settings, you're gonna find this skin settings, player, media. Let's check out the media. You're gonna find this. So these are the features of this particular build. All you have to do is to make sure you check it out, and then let's check out the builds within this build. So you're gonna get here, and then when you get to this point, and then you will get to build section, then click on it, and then here you'll find this. These are the builds within this build. For example, you can have another build from this build, right? So it's quite easy and very simple. So all you have to do is to make sure you watch this video, and then check out the link in description, and then comment section. You'll be able to see how to have this particular build on your device. So that's it, guys. So apologies for the inconveniences for not showing you guys how to have this on your build. Then check out the comment section, or like I said, this is because of the recent YouTube community guidelines. So check out the comment section, check out the link in bio in the description, and then you will have a detailed guide on how to have these particular builds on your device. See you guys in my next video. Please subscribe if you find this video helpful. Subscribe, enable notification. See you guys around.